gathering the facts. Number 2, read the introduction. Use the information to answer the following questions. Letter A. In about 100,000 BC, where did people migrate from? And write your answer over here. Letter B. Why did people move into new areas? And type your answer over here. Letter C. How did the earliest people get their food? Type your answer over here. Letter D. What had killed much of their food? And type your answer over here. And letter E. By what year had people migrated to most regions of the world? And type your answer in the box over here.